We all know that Fiverr is a very famous platform for freelancing, and the beauty of Fiverr is that you do not have to bid on every proposal and wait to buyer to see if he likes your bid or not, but rather you create your own gigs and sell your services online through it. So you can start. Fiverr was initially started for $5 per gig, but eventually they have started and expanded now, and you can get bigger now gigs as well, ranging to $1,000 or more, depending upon Fiverr has different levels and how much amount you can sell it. So Fiverr is definitely, without a doubt, a well-known and very good freelancing platform to start your freelancing career online. But here's the thing, famous thing: don't put all your eggs in one basket. So do not rely on single source of income. So if you know a skill, multiply it by going to multiple places. Even if Fiverr is working well for you and you are earning money great through Fiverr, I still recommend you to offer Fiverr Alternatives and see wherever you can sell your services and make more money. And even if it's not working well for you, chances are the Fiverr Alternatives can get you good amount of money, and you will be surprised to know that if like just a quotation, like if a plan A doesn't work, the English has 26 more alphabets like plan B, plan C, plan C. So just like if a Fiverr doesn't work, it doesn't mean you're on your online freelancing career should end, but you have other opportunities to start and make money online by looking on Fiverr Alternatives. So let's get started on discovering some of the few of the Fiverr Alternatives through which you can make good money. So number one is the PeoplePerHour. Let me show you. PeoplePerHour is a very famous and very well-known freelancing platform. I think I just wrote a wrong URL, which is why. Here you go. You just have to click on it. I have an account, so you can see my account is logged in, and there are various jobs available here. You can see different category wise everyone is posting here. It's a very good freelancing platform. You can get good jobs from here. It's a good alternative. There is also one alternative which I just came in my mind, and that is guru.com. Guru.com is also very famous. I just have to write like guru, and I'm going to find this guru.com. Find and hire expert freelancing. It's good to have multiple options where you can sell your services. So here it's another good freelancing website. And Upwork. Okay, just like Fiverr, you can create gigs for your services, and on Upwork you have an option of creating project catalogs, like and you can here you can see my project dashboard, and just like this you can, in the project dashboard you can create your own project catalog, just like you can create gigs on Fiverr, and you can sell it over online as well. And another is Freelancer. Freelancer is like one of the pioneer and old websites for freelancing is freelancer.com. Freelancer has a huge range of different categories and different works. You can do it online here through it, and again different categories, different work you can do. Very good, very famous website, and you can earn a bunch of money through it doing freelancing, and it's also very good Fiverr alternative. Another is FiveSquid. FiveSquid is just like $5 gig started and freelancing. FiveSquid is also for $5. So primarily created in UK, and it's working more on £5 than $5. And you can again list your gigs and services over here and make money through it. You can create your own gig, and you can see few gigs having 166 reviews and 69 reviews. It doesn't mean it has only 166 reviews. Usually more than 200-300 people have ordered it. Not everyone do the review, so keep in mind this thing as well. And another is SEOClerk. SEOClerk is also very famous and very old. I personally use SEOClerk for my own services as well. So you can see here you can get different PPN links, different services. You can sell your service, but ideally it's used in it was initially started for SEO services, but now I have eventually expanded. You can see other categories, art and design, and different categories, social networks. They have now expanded over, but initially it was for SEO purposes, but they now have expanded. You can sell anything online here as well. Another website is just have to write this Forer. Just like a Fiverr is a Fiverr, they have created Forer for 4. Everything here is $4. Fiverr was Fiverr, so that is how they created Fiverr, and this is how they created Forer with everything $4 freelance market. So you can see different gigs here and people promoting it. So it's a good thing to, like, you can also promote and sell your service here as well. And another is Gigbucks. Gigbucks is not much now active, but still you can sell it and earn money. So you can press like you can sell from $5 to $50, and you can see some of the gigs here with some good reviews, different levels. You can also sell your service here. It's again a very good Fiverr alternative. So I just discussed few of the very famous Fiverr alternatives with you, because I wanted to say that do not put all your eggs in one basket. Do not rely on one place. For instance, if your Fiverr account gets suspended, you do not have any other income streaming option for you, and you can go bankrupt anytime. So which is why it is always a good idea to diversify your income streams, and in diversifying your income streams, it's a very good strategy to create and and sell services on another platform, freelancing platform, just like Gigbucks and other I have told you. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, you are more than welcome to ask in the comment section. If you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends and families, and thank you. Bye bye.